guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me once again, Jocelyn Vlogs. Today guys, first day of the October, October 1st, and today is celebrating mooncake. It's Chinese traditional mooncake festival, as they call it. So I'm going to show you a simple what they use, or it's like what they offer. It's like offering traditional offering. We have to make mooncake, pomelo, persimmon, and lingkok. Lingkok, I don't know how do you call it in English, but it's like black color. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to arrange for they call for offering. It's like paisang in Chinese. So I'm going to share you how to because we use it also is like the baby taro. You have to boil the baby taro. That is the only one thing to boil. Okay, after boiled, then we have to arrange and make like it seems like how do you call it in Christmas. We have or Christmas or Chinese New Year. We collect fruit as a lucky. It's like how do you call it? They call it. It's like lucky something like that, or in feng shui they call it. It's in my time, but I cannot really see it. Fortune. Okay, that is it's like fortune. What is the fortune means? It's traditional. It's a lucky something like that. So this is I'm going to show you guys. Okay, for a quick okay, let we do let you see. I will do it. Okay, guys. This is baby taro. Okay, this is the mooncake, pomelo, and this is the lingkok. It's like how do you call it? The cow, the it's like I forgot how you see it. Every time. So we have to arrange, guys. Okay, so this is as you can see. So here the lingkok in the middle, and then we put like that. How to maybe I put here like that. Okay, so okay, has to be the lingkok in the middle, so we have to put like that. Okay, so there you go, the mooncake. Okay, and then we have to turn, then you can see the lingkok is there in the middle, black color, you cannot see. And okay, this is the fortune. We celebrating like Christmas or New Year, we have all those kind of fruit, but today is because Mid-Autumn Festival. Okay, so Mid-Autumn Festival. Okay, guys, this is traditional Chinese doing every year as a moon cake festival, guys. So very simple, just boil the baby yam, boil the lingkok. This is the lingkok. It's the how do you call it, the cow, the in the head of the cow, how do you call it? It's like so. And persimmon, this one is the persimmon. I love to eat this one. And the baby taro, and of course the pomelo because fruit. And also the baby taro is lots of fiber, so I love really eat this one. Okay, so today is the celebrating of Mid Autumn Festival. That is the mooncake, guys. Okay, guys, I hope you like it, this short video of mine, and I hope that everybody has lucky and fortune for this year, although we have, so God bless you all, and I love you all, guys. Shout out to Miles Joyce Vlog, Raw Marvelous, Bill Korean Mommy Vlog, Mel's Kitchen with Mali, and also Team Abid, my members. And shout out to Peter Matus, Obreta, Rita, and Pilgrim Expat, and SMG, Melody Marlendolf, Peter Blag, Marquez Bito, Inday Selly, and Lixinfert, and also to friends, most especially my supporter subscriber. Thank you so much, and I hope still supporting me till the end, and thank you very much to all of you. More power and God bless you all. Thank you so much, guys. And thank you for watching. I hope you like this short video informing or sharing you the traditional um, celebrating festival Mid-Autumn Festival, guys. So I hope you like it, this, guys. Okay, guys, more blessing and more power to you all, guys. Thank you for watching. This is me once again, Jocelyn Vlogs, today. So let's celebrate the uh, festival. Okay, guys, so this is it. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. It's me once again, Jocelyn Vlogs, guys.